In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix green screen on YouTube videos in Chrome. If you're seeing a green screen while the audio plays, it usually points to a browser issue, often cached data, an extension conflict, or an outdated Chrome version. We'll walk through a quick, safe sequence to clear things up. Start in Chrome and open the menu by clicking the three dots in the top right corner, then open Settings. We'll do all the fixes from here so you don't have to jump around. Inside Settings, go to Privacy and Security. This is where Chrome stores controls for your browsing data and site behavior, both of which can affect video playback. Next, choose Clear Browsing Data. When cached files or cookies become corrupted, they can break how videos render and lead to that green overlay. Go ahead and confirm by clicking Delete Data. Chrome will remove temporary files so it can load YouTube cleanly the next time. This can sign you out of some sites, so just be aware you might need to log back in later. Give Chrome a moment to finish. Now, let's check extensions. Open extensions. Video playback issues are often caused by content blockers or script modifiers that interfere with how YouTube loads. Find your ad blocker and toggle it off to disable it. We're doing this temporarily to test whether it's the source of the problem. You can turn it back on later once playback works again. Head back to the Settings tab to continue. Keeping everything in one flow helps ensure we don't miss anything. Open About Chrome. This screen checks your current version and whether an update is available. Out-of-date versions can have bugs that affect media playback. If you see an Update Chrome button, click it and let Chrome finish updating. Chrome may relaunch during this process. That's normal. When it comes back, you'll be on the latest version with the newest fixes. Finally, return to your YouTube tab and press play. If the player doesn't refresh automatically, give the page a quick reload. At this point, you've cleared problematic cache, removed potential extension conflicts, and ensured Chrome is fully updated, three of the most common causes of the green screen effect. If the video now plays normally, you can go back and re-enable your ad blocker. If the issue returns only when the blocker is active, consider leaving it off for YouTube or adjusting its settings later. That's it. Follow these steps and you should be back to smooth, clear YouTube playback in Chrome. Thanks for watching.